Hello traders, today is the 14th of January 2011 and happy trading to you all directly from the TSTW24 trading system, TSTWSYS08 trading system, the String 240 trading system, and the Master Key Day trading system. We wish you the very best in your trading, okay? Right here again, as always, looking at the Euro USD. The market indicator, the number one market indicator. If you are trading gold, if you are trading crude oil, if you are trading Dow Jones, if you are trading stock, you must keep your eyes on the Euro USD. The market indicator, a very powerful indicator. You may perfectly put the Euro USD below your chart, okay, instead of using other indicator, okay. So that's why we keep watching the Euro USD in opportunities, okay. My apology for what is coming on my screen right now. Okay, so this is it. The Euro USD, as I'm speaking to you now, is going down big time. This is the 15-minute chart of the Euro USD. I want to show you something very interesting. I hope you enjoy it. It's about this session here, okay, where I'm putting the spotlight now. The stochastic is oversold on this 15-minute chart. But why the price is going down? Why the price is going down? Okay. Now the reason why the price is going down very fast right now, as I'm speaking to you on this live chat on the 15-minute chart of the Euro USD, is because many traders fall into a trap that many TSTW24 traders will not fall into. Okay, so we know as a TSTW24 trader, the triple green signal is a bullish signal. Okay. But we know that when the signal is not ready, okay, we know that the signal is not ready. And these people are taking a signal that is not ready. They are taking a bullish signal that was not ready, only to see that the price return to the downside, okay? We have a filter in the TSTW24 trading system, a very simple tool, okay, but a powerful tool. Each signal has a filter. The TSTW24 has 6 signals, okay? The triple green signal is for bullish signal, okay? And in this case, these people are taking a bullish signal that was not a valid bullish signal because the signal was not set, okay? It was not even there, okay? So you cannot even call it a bullish signal. But because these people are relying only on the stochastic was oversold on the 50-minute chart. People are buying. Stochastic overbought on the 50-minute chart. People are selling. And this is what has been going on all the time, okay? And many people do not understand how to use the indicators, okay? If you like MACD, okay, you must learn to master MACD. If you like the Williams percentage indicator, you must learn to master or call the builder of Williams percentage. Call the owner and say, you build it, can you give me something? Or read a book, okay, about it, and learn to master it. And when you start using one particular indicator, okay, don't just use one indicator today and use another one tomorrow and use another one after tomorrow. One of the biggest mistakes that new traders are making is that they get into this exploration of indicators. So today you use MACD. Okay, there are millions of, thousands of indicators. You use MACD today, tomorrow you can use stochastic. And after tomorrow you can use the RSI, after tomorrow you use the rate of change, and after tomorrow you use the momentum, and the day after you use the Bollinger Band, and after you can use the moving averages, and you have a different sort of moving average. You can use the exponential, you can use the simple, you can use the weighted moving averages, and you can go on, and use all sort of indicator, and you don't know exactly what's going on. When you start trading fast, okay, what you need to do, pick up 2 indicators, at least 2 or 3, okay, maximum 3, okay, and stick to them and use them all the time and try to understand them. If they give you a signal that happen to be a fake signal, okay, note the time down, the time that they give you the signal, note it down, the time frame, note it down on a piece of paper. So when the market closes, you go back and look and see why MACD has given you this order to buy, but the price was not successful. As you can see here, these people who bought it here, these are their stop being taken out as I'm speaking now, because even though we know that the euro should pull back today, what I call a healthy pullback after yesterday, what I call exaggerated move to the upside, okay, so this is what usually happen, and we're expecting more for the euro to go down more. We will see, but so far it's going down. It gave a quickly 100 pips today, the euro, for this move to the downside. Using only this knowledge of what I call a stable data in the market, a market pattern. So the market trend one day, there's a higher probability that the next day the market will pause. So the market trend, pause, trend. Trend, pause, trend. Or sometimes you will see the market will say trend, 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 pause, 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 trend, 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 pause, pause, pause. Okay? It's happening all the time. This is the language of the price. So yesterday we know that the euro did move, exponentially, okay? Went up, went up, went up. If yesterday you placed a buy signal anywhere, anyhow, even I know my child of 7 years old, even he placed a trade yesterday, a buy trade yesterday, will be successful because the market just going up. And nobody, the price did not give a single pullback yesterday. It was up, 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 up. Some people who are using the stochastic, they overbought this, they lose money. I mean, it's sad though, but if you want to learn to master the indicator, go to our channel, www.youtube.com/George Rio. We are not in the business of blah, blah, blah. We are in a business to give to the trader tools that work. The traders are able to make their own trading decisions. That's why we don't do a signal service or all these things. We do not do that, okay? If you are a TSCW 2040, we do not do it. We are in a business, if you are serious about trading, to learn it yourself, okay? I hope that's what you want, okay? You want to learn it and be able to do it yourself, okay? I don't want to be giving people a signal and telling them what to do, because we believe that traders can perfectly trade. Anybody can perfectly learn to trade, okay? If they want to, if they truly want to, okay? So this is how myself, I get to where I am now, and I believe that if yourself, you are serious about it, I'm not saying that easy. You take it out, it can take you up to 4 years before you come clean, okay? So don't get up one morning expecting to trade like Larry Levin, okay? My friend Larry Levin, the top trader, okay? Or one of the best Wall Street traders out there, okay? So do not just expect to trade like Larry Levin in one day, okay? You are not going to do it like Larry Levin the same day or any other professional traders out there. You are not. You are not. So be honest with yourself, okay? But first locate your weaknesses and your strength, and from there you are on the right path. Because if you fail to recognize your weaknesses, okay, recognize clearly with yourself. Be honest. Be tough with yourself and say that I'm an impatient trader. I'm a crazy trader. Okay, I am an aggressive trader. Okay, I'm a disrespectful trader because I don't pay attention to other traders. Be honest and put it down. Put it down bluntly. Okay, and list it there. And also on the other hand, be honest and say, okay, I can control myself very well. I can handle my emotion. I do not cry. I do not call my mother when I have a losing trade. Okay, I can recoup my trade, my losses very fast. So if these are your strengths, put it down and be honest about it, and do it properly. So the point I want to make on this spotlight here is that the advantage of using a TSCW24 is highlighted again here, because when I was sitting here watching this chart, I knew because I went into the mind of these traders. How do I know? It's not that I'm a smart person better than other traders that will be arrogant. It's because I went through the same process before, and I lost money like these people are losing it now. It happened to me many times when I lose money here, receiving this signal here to buy, okay, and I see it 100 times. That's how I filter it out, and I know anytime I see it, I know that this is one of the fake one. And when people are buying, I'm watching, okay? I do not just go in front of them, because sometimes if they are majority, they will push the price in the opposite. So I observe them first, okay, because I know they are buying. You see these two candles here, they came through like this, okay? You see that these people are buying, okay? And then what do you do? Because you are TSTW24 trader, you know that the signal is not set up here. You wait for them. Do not just jump in front of them, try to set them down. It's like showing disrespect to them, because if they are majority, they can control the market. So you wait patiently. As soon as the price telling you weaknesses, look at this, all this candle here, telling you weaknesses, okay? And the trailer is broken, and you see straight away that the signal is not validated, that you shouldn't buy, okay? You will sell. You will sell when other traders are buying. And this is what's happened. That's why the price came down here. So this is to show you the advantage, one of the advantage of the TSTW24 trading system. It's a very simple tool, okay, but powerful tool. And the reason why we build it is for those, the TSTW24 trading system is especially for those who are struggling. I mean, I know a lot of traders can trade, okay, so they come in every day, working day in, day out. They go to the library, they go to seminar, they go to webinar, they trade weekend, they trade every day, they spend a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy, but they are not get anything out of the market. I was one of those traders. And the TSTW24 trading system is for people like that, okay? So when you have the TSTW24 trading system, the first thing that I say to people, and promise me that you will do it, sit down, okay? Forget about everything that you know about trading. Know that this is a tool, okay, that you must learn to master it, okay? So give yourself at least 2 weeks to test it, rigorously test it, honestly test it, in, out, test it properly, okay, like a professional trader, okay, rigorously test it, and try to understand it, and to become a fluent in it. That's the key. The discipline to take the signal, the discipline to recognize the signal, the discipline to filter out also the fake signal, okay, so that you also, okay, can start enjoying your trade. It's your money, okay, and do not give it to somebody else. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you put into practice, that you'll become a TSTW24 trader. If you want to join us, you need to go to www.stochastic-marketing.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.